Hi kids, coming to you today with a craft that I think we've probably all got plenty of supplies for. What you will need to gather is at least one toilet paper roll, a pair of scissors, something to write with, pencil, pen, crayon, some scrap paper, construction paper in whatever colors you would like to use, and some tape, okay? Oh, and a stapler. So what we're going to be doing today is making some springtime friends to accompany us through this time of being at home and inside. We'll have a choice of making a flower, or a ladybug, or a bumblebee. So depending on what color construction paper or paints or markers you have, you can choose which of these items you'd like to make. While you're gathering your supplies, you can stop the video and then start up again. The next little example I'm going to do is another flower, because one flower doesn't make a bouquet. You need more than one flower. So I'm going to move my little friends aside and get my toilet paper roll. So I've got my toilet paper roll, and I have already cut my green paper to the size needed. So I'll begin by stapling the paper onto the toilet paper roll, and then rolling the roll and taping the rest of the paper to the toilet paper roll. Okay? Then I will grab some more green that I've already folded in half, and I'm going to make 2 leaves from this green paper by simply freehanding in the shape of a leaf. So, every leaf is different, so I can be creative. You see, now I've got 2 leaves, and again, I'm going to tape them onto the back, right on top of where I've already put tape. I'm going to tape these leaves, one on each side of my toilet paper roll. You can also glue these in place if you've got time to wait, but I just like to use the tape because it's nice and quick. All right, so there I've got the bottom stem and leaves of my plant, and this time I'm going to make a yellow flower. So I don't remember if I mentioned getting a glass or something that's got a round so that you can trace, but trace around that circular object and then cut the circle out, and once you've done that, you can make the flower in whatever design you would care to. This design I'm going to use is just to cut into the flower, in towards the middle of the flower, and it's basically going to look like a dandelion, which some people consider those weeds, but I'm of the opinion that they're so beautiful and they're so bright and cheery that maybe they're wildflowers, Okay, so there we've got this circle, basically, but it's got some texture to it. And again, I've got a piece of tape, put that in the middle of the circle, put the circle in the middle of my stem, and now I've got another flower for my bouquet. Okay, so you see these are 2 different examples, and of course there's just as many possibilities as our imagination will bring forth. So I'd love to see pictures of your creations. Just email me at llensmeyer@strayfield.org, and I'll be sure to share that with our other friends. Thanks.